Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video we're gonna do another mini game, and it's very nice and easy to do. So let's start. The first thing we're gonna do is choose a sprite, and I'm gonna use this ball. First of all, it has multiple colors and I really like that, but still we're gonna leave the yellow one or the orange one, I don't know. So now we're gonna choose a backdrop, and I decided to use one of the space one, and I like this one because it goes very nice with the yellow ball. So now we're gonna add a code to our ball, and it's gonna start with when the flag is clicked, go to x0y160. Oh wait, that was the stage. Okay, let's go back to the ball. So when the flag clicked, go to x0 and y160. Next, point in direction 45, right here. So it's gonna point that direction. The next thing is gonna be a forever loop, and move 15 steps. If on edge, bounce. Where is it? Where is the move block? Okay, it's up here. Move 15 steps, and if on the edge, then bounce. Now let's see how our code works. Yes, that works great, and that's exactly how it has to work. Now let's work on our next code, and it's not gonna be really a code, it's gonna be a new sprite. I feel like we should choose it. I'm not really into making it myself, even though I don't really like how that paddle looks like. Maybe we should just use the button and then like make it a little bit smaller, kind of like that. Yeah, that should go. Now I'm just gonna color it the color I want it to be, and the color is gonna be bright and pretty, and it's gonna be pink because I like pink. Let's see, it should go like from pink to purple. That looks nice, and the inside is gonna be light blue. Oh, come on. Okay, the inside will be light blue, like that, and it's just gonna be light blue. Yeah, okay, our paddle is ready. Now let's name it a paddle so we don't get confused. Okay. So the code we need to add is when the flag is clicked, forever. And that's the a little bit complicated part. People think that they can just use go to mouse pointer, but that's wrong, because if it's gonna go to the mouse pointer, it's gonna go like all around the stage when we want it to be only like down there and move by X. So that's why we're gonna use two different blocks. Well, the second one is not really a block, but yeah, you'll see. So it's gonna be set x2, and now we have to go into sensing category and pick out mouse X. That way it's gonna move like directly by X, and it's not gonna like go all around the stage. So we're done with the paddle. I feel like for the entire game that's all we need. And now let's go back to our ball sprite and add this code. So when the flag is clicked, forever, if touching paddle, then turn 180 degrees, but if you want it to turn like a random position every time, you should pick another block, which is going to be in the operators category. Pick random 170 to 190. So I'm going to probably use the pick random one because I want everything to be random in my game. Like, not really everything, but yeah. So let's get that block, pick random, and now we're gonna get the turn block. It's this one, 170 to 190. Okay, that's good. And now we have to add another move 15 step block and a wait block, of course. Oh no, it has to be inside the loop. Let's do 0.5. Now let's test it out and see how it goes. Yeah, it's pretty nice. See, the ball bounces off and it goes to the paddle. I like it. So the next thing is the game over thing. So how to end your game. Let's go to our backdrop and draw like a line, not really a line, a square down at your stage. And I'm gonna make it a pretty color. Of course it's not gonna be blue because I don't want the paddle and the line to be the same color. And so I'm gonna make it pink, and it's gonna like fade away a little bit. I hope you get what I mean. So yeah, let's see if I can do that. Oh, first let's pick a color that's gonna like surround it. I think black is gonna be the best idea, and I want it to be a little bit more thicker, if that's gonna help. No, I don't feel like it's helping a lot. Yeah, that's bad. Well, we're just gonna leave it like that then, and move the paddle a little bit upper so it doesn't like stick to the line, or we should just like make the line a little bit smaller. I think that's fine. Okay, now we are gonna add a code to it. The code is gonna be added to the ball. Another when the flag clicked, then wait 0.5 seconds. And a forever loop, like usual we need it. And instead there's gonna be an if block. So if, and now we're gonna pick a color. I don't think we ever worked with these type of things. We have to pick the black color, or is it dark pink? Yeah, I think, nope, it has to be like the dark pink one. So when like the ball touches our paddle, the dark pink thing, it's gonna fail the game. So now we are gonna add a stop all block, but that's not it. Now we're gonna create a new sprite and we're gonna paint it. It's gonna be a game over sprite. So just say you lose in big letters, and now we're gonna change the font because I want it to be like that. I'm also gonna change the color to a little bit less pink. Well, yeah, that's good enough. So now we are gonna add a message block, which is gonna make it work the right way. So here, let's go to the code section, and when the flag is clicked, it's gonna hide so it doesn't like be there forever. Then what's the point of doing it? Then we're gonna create a message. So let's create a message and name it game over. Okay, and we have to place a weight block over here, or else it's not gonna work because of the stop all block. Let's wait 0.05 seconds. Now when I receive game over, it has to show. Now let's see how it goes. Yes, it works. So we're done with the game over thing. It's good. Now we're gonna move on to the points. For the points, we have to make a variable and call it score. I'm gonna make the score in a large readout and place it somewhere in the middle. The only thing we have to add is change score by 1 in one of the scripts in our ball sprite, and then when the flag clicks, set score to 0 so it doesn't so it refreshes every time we restart the game. Let's go to our ball sprite and add it in. So change, oh no, let's delete my variable because it's very distracting there. Right here we're gonna set score to 0, and somewhere here we're gonna change score by 1, but let it be like in the very beginning. Yeah, so we're done with our points. If you guys want, I can show you how to add a high score. Let's do it real quick. It doesn't take a lot of time. Let's make a variable called high score. Then add a new when flag clicked block, then a forever loop, and an if block. If score is more than high score, like that, if the score is more than high score, then set high score to score. That's gonna make our high score. This little block is like so simple. Let's play this game for a little bit, and as you can see, our high score changes and it becomes bigger every time. Yeah, and I lost. We're basically done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So let's play the game again for a little bit to see how it works. I'm gonna try to beat my high score, and yeah, I lost. I'm bad at this game. It's a very simple and a very interesting game. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was helpful. If you did, then let me know. See you in my next video. Bye.